Hi there everyone, today I am going to talk about how you can generate social media ad copies using WriteMe. Step 1, select your project. Step 2, select output language. WriteMe supports 30+ different languages. Step 3, pick writing tone. Pick your desired tone in which you want to address your audience. Step 4, select ads for social media. Tap on the Choose Use Case menu. Pick ads for social media from the drop-down menu containing 25+ use cases. Step 5, input the main idea. Input some relevant information such as keywords, phrases, main context, titles and goal of writing. Finally, simply click Write Me. Your fabulous social media ad copy is ready to convert leads. You can